In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Kimi K3 AI. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the app from a Play Store or App Store. Then simply open it. Then you will get this pop-up message about the terms and conditions. Click on Agree. After that, you can allow or disallow notifications. Then click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top left corner. Then click on Login. From here, you can continue with Google or you can continue with phone login. For now, continue with Google. After that, choose the account where you want to create your Kimi account. Then click on Continue. And if the account is logged into your device, you will directly be signed into your Kimi account by creating an account. And if that Gmail or email is not logged into your device, it will simply ask you for the password. Type out your password and then click on Continue. Then your account will be created on Kimi K3 AI. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.